Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing in immediately because changes require account access. Make sure you have the current email, password, and any two-step codes ready. This prevents lockouts. Once signed in, navigate to the settings gear at the top right. Click Account Info to reach username, email, and password fields. You're doing this first to authenticate, so the system knows it's you, and to reduce steps later when updating contact or security details. Now change the specific details you want. For username or display name, type the new name and check availability. Usernames follow character rules, so pick one that fits. When updating email, enter the new address, then open the confirmation email and click the link to verify. This step completes ownership. For passwords, enter your current password, then a strong new one and confirm it. Make sure to save each change and watch for on-screen. Finish by verifying your email and re-enabling any two-step authentication you turned off. This restores security. Once done, log out and log back in to confirm everything took effect. This also forces sessions to update. If something goes wrong, like a failed email confirmation or account lock, use the account recovery flow or contact Roblox support with screenshots and proof of ownership. Keep calm, support will guide you, and having verification ready speeds resolution significantly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.